In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing page in Unbounce. By the end, you'll feel confident starting a new page, choosing the right builder and template, and shaping the layout so it fits your goal, whether that's capturing leads, promoting a webinar, or showcasing a product. First, head to your Unbounce dashboard. This is your home base where all your pages live. Look toward the top right and click the Create New button. You'll be asked to pick between the Classic Builder and the Smart Builder. Classic Builder gives you precise, manual control over every element on the page. It's perfect if you want to fine-tune spacing, layer elements, and design freely. Smart Builder is more guided. It helps you move faster with layout suggestions and copy support based on your industry and goals. If you're newer to Unbounce or want a solid starting point, Smart Builder can be a great choice. If you love full design control, choose Classic. After selecting your builder, browse the templates. They're organized by purpose, so look for a design that matches what you're trying to achieve, such as lead generation, webinars, or product promotion. Click into a template to preview how it looks on desktop and mobile. Use this moment to check readability, image placement, and how calls to action stand out on smaller screens. If none of the templates fit your brand or structure, you can start from scratch for complete flexibility. Once you've decided, give your page a clear, descriptive name. This makes it easier to find, organize, and report on later, especially when you have multiple campaigns running. Now build your layout. Drag and drop text, images, forms, and buttons into place. Edit the headline first to establish your core message, then add supporting text that answers what you offer and why it matters. Keep paragraphs concise and scannable. For images, choose visuals that reinforce your message and maintain good contrast so text stays readable. When you add a form, keep it short. Ask only for the essentials to increase conversions. For your primary button, use action-oriented copy and a color that stands out from the background. Add or edit sections to structure the page. A strong hero at the top, benefit highlights in the middle, and a clear call to action near the bottom. Change background images or colors to separate sections and guide the eye. As you format each part, align elements cleanly and check the mobile view regularly so spacing, text size, and buttons feel natural on smaller screens. That's it. You've set up a new page, chosen the right starting point, and shaped a clean, goal-focused layout in Unbounce.